Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Google Docs read aloud to you. It's really simple and easy. So it's really convenient to go and have Google Docs read aloud to you. So to go and get started, make sure you are using Google Chrome. Go and download if you haven't already. Come to Google Docs and you can go to the top and you need to go and find the option for tools. When you are in your document, go down and click on accessibility, and in here you can go and turn on screen read support like so. Then press OK. You will notice we now have the accessibility option, but before we go and use it, go to the top right of Chrome and click on these three dots. Go down and find the option for extensions. Click on visit Chrome Web Store. At the top you need to go and type in screen reader, and you want to go and use this one here, which is by Google themselves. So go and click on it, and what you can do is click on add to Chrome in the top right, and we can click on add extension. To go and stop it speaking, all you need to do is press Ctrl on your keyboard. Now you want to come and return to Google Docs, select what you want to be read out. You can press Ctrl A to select it all, click accessibility and then verbalize selection to screen reader, and you can click on verbalize selection. When you are finished with it, you can click on puzzle piece in the top right, click on these three dots and click on this remove from Chrome and confirm your decision. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to make Google Docs allowed to read. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.